Hello everybody and welcome. Okay, so this video is to take you through the steps of how to put your ebook app that you created on the Andromo platform onto the Google Play console. Alright, so when you get to your account, the first place that you're going to get to is this page, and you need to click all apps and then you click create app. And you need to put your name in, and I'm going to call my app Medium Writing App. Okay, so you've got 30 characters that you can work with there. Right, after that, app or game, it's an app, it's free. You just need to click those two there, and then you click create app. Okay. It's a little bit slow, but we're getting there. Right, then you're going to be on this page. So we need to now get your app set up. So set up your app, provide information about your app, and set up your stored listing. Click view tasks, and then we'll start at the top. App access all functionality, click that, click save. Your changes have been saved. Back to the dashboard, and you'll see as you do each step it gets striked out to show you that you've done it. Ads, yes, my app contains ads. Changes have been saved. Back to the dashboard. Content rating, right, so you click start questionnaire, and it's just click all other apps. Oh, sorry, we need to put an email address in here. So you just put your email address in. Because Google is going to email you the content rating. So put your email address in, click all other apps, click next. Does your app contain any rating relevant content? No. Does your app natively allow users to interact with content with other users? No. Online content. Does the app feature or promote content that isn't part of the initial app download? No. Does the app focus on promoting or selling items or activities that are typically age restricted? No. Does the app, so all of the miscellaneous stuff will be no. Okay, it doesn't no there, so it doesn't share the user's physical location, it doesn't allow them to purchase goods, it's not a browser or a search engine, and it's not primarily news or educational products. You can then save it, you then click next, and you click submit. Okay, and there it is. You then go back to the dashboard, target audience. So always make it 18 and over, just to be safe. Okay. Could your store listing unintentionally appeal to children? No, it shouldn't. Do yourself a favor, do not create any apps that involve or appeal to children at all. It's just a risk and it's not necessary. Okay, so here you click next, you click save, and we go back to the dashboard. News apps. Is your app a news app? No, it is not. Click save again, go to the dashboard. COVID-19 tracing app. My app is not a publicly available COVID tracing app. You click that, you click save, and you go back to the dashboard. Now, before we do the data safety section, we need to go and create a before we do the data safety section, we need to go and create a privacy policy. We need a URL where your privacy policy is stored. Okay, so the site that I use is TermsFeed. You just go to termsfeed.com. It's free. So just set up an account there. When you're in your account, all you do is you click privacy policy generator. It's an app. Next step, what is the name of your app? So here you would put in the name of your app, which is where you medium writing app. Okay, that's the name of my app. So medium writing, where am I now? Good grief, if I can only spell. Medium writing app. Okay, I am an individual. I am not in the United States. I am in South Africa. If you don't know where that is, that's the country right at the bottom of Africa. Anyway, then you hit next step. What kind of personal information do you collect from users? Here I just use others. Okay. And I leave everything else. Next step. People can contact you by email. Put your email address in there. No need to put anything else in there. Next step. Scroll down to the bottom. You don't need a professional privacy policy. You just need this one. And it's free. So now I don't want a professional policy. Click next step. Click generate. Oh, man. Need to put your email in there before you can do that, because they're going to email it to you. Okay, and then you're going to click generate. Let me log in quickly. Let's do okay. Once you've generated it, here is the URL which hosts your privacy policy, and if you want to look through your privacy policy, it's here on the right. So what you can do is click that, and then let's go to our notepad and just paste it in there for later use, and you're done here. And every time you want to create a new one, you just come here and you go through the same steps and you create a new one. Right, let's go back to Google, data safety. Now, this is a new thing that Google's introduced, and let me show you exactly how I do my apps, and they work every time. I have no issues with Google rejecting any of my apps at all. So click next, right? Does your app collect or share the required user data types? Say yes. Okay. Is all of the data collected by your app encrypted? Yes. Do you provide a way for users to request their data, that their data is deleted? Yes. Next. Here scroll all the way down to device or other IDs. Say show. Click device or other IDs. Click next. Click start. Right. The selected apply something. Okay. So the data is collected. Okay. It is the processing data. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, but just click yes. Users can choose whether this data is collected. Just click that. Okay. And why is the data collected? App functionality. Click save. Click next. Right, now, you need to go, we're going to have to come back and do it. But anyway, let's go to the privacy policy. So we're going to have to leave and discard. I forgot to do that. Anyway, let's quickly put the privacy policy URL in. This is the one you created at terms feed. Let's copy that. Let's paste it in there. And let's save it. Let's go back to the dashboard. And let's just redo the data safety again. Okay, so we click next. Yes, yes, yes. We click next. We scroll down to there. Device and other IDs. We click next. We click start. It's collected. Yes. Users can decide, and it's collected for app functionality. You then click save. You click next, and you click save. Right, then we go back to the dashboard. Right, so now we've set everything up there. Manage how your app is organized and presented. Select an app category. So for my apps, I leave it as app, and because I'm on in the make money online niche, My apps are always select as the business category, but you would obviously select whatever category is applicable to your app. Email address, again, store listing contact details, so you need to put this in here again. Right, there we go. You don't need a phone number, you don't need a website, so we click save there. Changes have been saved. We go back to the dashboard. Right, set up your store listing. Now, that is my app name. So now we need to put in a short description, 80 characters. I've already got my short and full description here. I've already done it, which I would recommend that you do as well. So this is going to be my short description. I'm not sure if it's actually going to fit in, but let's just see. 50, yes, so that's perfect. In your description, you want to use as many keywords as you can. Even in your short description, you want to use keywords related to your app as well. Let me just get the rest. Okay, there we go. Copy. This is going to be my long description. There we go. So there it all is. Actually, yeah, let's just see how to write a story is. Let's just create a couple of gaps here to make it look a little bit decent. Okay, there we go there. Okay, so you put your description in. Now we need to do the graphics. So let me just bring this up here. These are the graphics that are required. So you need a high resolution app icon, 512 by 512. Then you need app screenshots. This is all required, okay? So you need a minimum of 2, and there are the sizes there, okay? 320 by 480 or 480 by 800 or 480 by 854. Then you need a feature graphic, and that needs to be 1024 by 500. Right, so let's start. I've already got my graphics, I've already done them, but let's start putting them up. So the first one is the 512 by 512, so let me upload that. Pictures, story, medium there, 512, so let's upload that, and let's just check that it's fine. Yes, great. Okay, and then the next one we want to upload must be the 1024 by 500. You can see here what format the graphics need to be in, okay? So let's upload this. It's the one, so that would be that one there. Let's upload it there. I don't put a video in. You can if you want to, but I don't do that. Right, then we need to upload 2 graphics here. And what I do here is I use the one graphic, I take a screenshot of my app in Andromo when I'm busy creating it. So that would be that one there. And then I just upload that one there. So that's a screenshot of the front of my app in Andromo. So I upload that there, and then I just upload another picture. And I use the same graphic here as I use here, as I use there. Right, so once you've done that, I don't use any other graphics. I don't use tablet graphics, 10-inch tablet or anything like that. Those are the only graphics that I use. You then click save, and we go back to the dashboard. Right, so now we can publish our app. So let's view the tasks, select the countries and the regions. So I always add all countries, so I just click there, add countries and regions. As you can see, 176 countries, add there. Okay, that's done. Back to our dashboard. scroll down, publish your app on Google Play, create a new release. So what we need to do here is upload our, alright, so what are we going to do here? So I always leave my releases to be signed by the Google Play Store. It's the safest. And here is where we're going to upload our app bundle. So this is the app bundle you would have downloaded from Andromo, your ebook app. Mine is sitting here under apps, and it is that one. So what will happen now is this will automatically get populated once the app bundle has been uploaded. And release notes, you can put anything in here that you want to. I just put my first version in here, so I would just put version 1.0, and you can do exactly the same. And if you change versions, you can just come in here and then change it to 2.0 or 1.2 or 1.1 or whatever you want to. I don't generally change my apps at all. Once I put them up on the Play Store, I leave them there, and they just start generating income for me, and it's a really nice passive income since you don't have to do anything else after you've put your app up on the Play Store. Okay, so it's taking a while, so I'm just going to pause the video and I'll come back to you once it's on. Okay, so the app bundle has been uploaded. There it is. There's the release name there. I just leave that. Oh, no. It's not CPA marketing because I copied this from a previous app. This would be medium story. Wait, let's just call it medium story so I can find it if I need to. Then I leave that as that, and click save. Right, now we're ready to roll it out. Click review release, and sometimes it'll show a warning. The warnings, don't worry about the warnings, they're nothing serious. And once you get to this point, you click start, roll out to production, roll out, and now it will say in review. So Google will now review your app, and if everything's okay, it will go into production and start showing in the App Store, and you will start earning income from your AdMob ads. Please just remember that this tutorial is only for ebook apps that I have created or that have been created on the Andromo platform. If you've created apps using other platforms or different apps, the process will be different. So once again, this is just for ebook apps that have been created on the Andromo platform. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.